Murkrows. Murkrow.
What? Guardian, there are dozens of new wolf signatures, and the number keeps growing. It's the Vex tech. Skolos! He's pulling the entire House of Wolves through time!
God damn it, Skolos.
He just said, I stole the gift of freedom, secrets of time and space. House of Wolves will stand
I killed him.
forever.
Killed him, right? I didn't kill him?
The House of
I did
Wolves
kill
is
him.
broken. Stand by for a transmission.
Oh
He
my
has
god.
nowhere left to run. Take him down!
This is Morasov, Queen of the Awoken. Guardian, when you first came in search of the Black Garden, I thought of you as just another mote of light, too far from its traveler. I see now that I was wrong. Accept my thanks, and the promise of a fitting reward.
Fishing reward.
Petra, bring Skolas to me.
Capture confirmed. I almost feel sorry for Skolos here. Conversations with the Queen can be harsh. Anyway, I'll meet you back at the reef with your reward.
Damn it. And I guess all I can say is there you have it. That's the entirety of House of Wolves. So I'll go turn in the turn in the rest of it, and that'll be it. I'll have done this for a third time. Gimme. Goomy. But bounce that booty like a basketball, and if you can't, don't shake it at all. Bounce that booty like a basketball, and if you can't, don't shake it at all. Almost there. Come on. Come on. You can. Hey. That up. Welcome me back, babies.
A glorious hunt. Almost ashamed to see it end.
There
Thank
you
you,
go.
Guardian. The Kell is in chains,
No
and
problem.
I can't wait to get back in the field.
No problem. Not wrong.
We have passed judgment on Kell of Kells.
Is it done? Yep, it is officially done. So, there you have it. That was me playing through House of Wolves.
But you must be strong to face prison.
Alright, so, all I can say is, yeah, it's done.
largest.
I really want.
Clever.
Is that the sword?
He wasn't as clever as Varix.